Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are going to learn C programming from scratch, which means each word of line, why this line is here, and what is the use of that line. So, let's get started. Before that, if you want to learn the basic concept of C programming, subscribe to our channel. During lecture, if you get any doubt, comment below. First line is header file, #include studio.h library function, which has the necessary information to include the input/output related functions in our program. Example: printf, scanf, etc. If we want to use printf or scanf function in our program, we should include the studio.h header file in our source code. Next line is main. The main function serves as the starting point for program execution. It usually controls program execution and program start from main function. Next line is printf function, is used to print the character, string, float, integer, octal and hexadecimal values onto the output screen. We use printf function with different format specifier to display the value of different types of variable. Here we write hello world message in printf function to display on output screen. Next line is the return statement, is used to terminate the execution of a function and transfer program control back to the calling function. In addition, it can specify a value to be returned by the function. Now, we click on Run button to compile and run this program. After successfully compilation of program, getting output of program, that is, hello world, because we write message in printf function, so they display message as it is on output screen. Here we write our first program in C programming. If you get clear understanding of concept, do like and subscribe to channel for learning C programming.